Okay.
What the heck?
Page 32, articulation, exercise 66. You want to do slides, like it says here, 3 to 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So I use my third finger. 4 and, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 7. That's it. That's all that is. Now the next one is double stops. What does a double stop mean? 2 strings. And it says power chord slides. Okay. What's it say here? 5 and what? 5 and 7. So on string 6, you put your first finger on 5 and your third finger on fret 7. So 6 and 5, you can pick all down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and don't go. That's what you're doing. You have to keep it in time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and same thing again. 5 and 7. 2 and 3. And it goes 5. That's all that is. Now the next one is going to be, well, let's say the hammer on. So the hammer on is when you do this. Let me give you an example here where you go, right? So exercise 68, you pick string, you form the E minor, you standard E minor, you're going to pick string 6 and beat 1, strum strings 4 down, on beat 2, what do you do on beat 3? Well, you get the E minor, so take off the 5th string, but leave that finger there because you're going to have to use it anyway. So watch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't go 1, 2, 3. You know, do it in time. 1, 2, 3, and so you hammer on. You don't pick the second note. It's how do you know you hammer on? You see a little slur. It's called a little curved line. It's called a slur. You pick the first note, hammer on the next note. You don't pick. You don't produce it with a pick. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You know what song that is? This ride is in the storm. This ride is in the storm. That's Doors. One of their biggest hits of all time. So.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
What's the difference between, like, on the notes? It looks like a tie almost, doesn't it?
It's not a tie because a tie is 2 notes of the same pitch. These are not 2 notes of the same pitch. Yeah, you recorded this too. That was. You did, yeah, you did, and you did this. You did these for me.
I did all of them.
Yeah, but they weren't even close, so that's okay. Now you have a better idea. So exercise 69 is 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 7, 5. You're going. You're Russian.
Okay.
But you're from India, so how can you be both? Very bad stuff. Very bad. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Now the next exercise 70. Let's just say here. Let what?
It's in Spanish.
Let ring out.
Deja que sueño.
Oh, that ring. Oh, is this a Spanish book too?
No.
No, it's in Spanish.
Why is it in Spanish?
That's a good question. Shouldn't be. It means to ring out. Let it ring out. So let me show you.
It's probably a misprint.
It is because they do have books in Spanish, but they. Yeah, who knows? That's funny. So watch. What kind of chord is this anyway? It's an A chord. So put all your fingers down. But first you have to start out with. You have to hammer on 6 to 2. So you go. And then form the whole A chord and then pick each note individually, but let them ring out. You went. That's what it looks like, right, when you're reading it.
Yeah.
But they want you to let it ring out. So. Oh.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Now you're going to play this note F, let it ring, A, let it ring. So as you put the fingers down, let them ring out. Okay? So. Now here you can take your fingers off because you have to go back to the fret 2 and hammer on to the fret 4. Then you're going to pick an E chord. What? I went like this, Rex. I know it's wrong. You want to go like this. So look at the notes and put them on each individual string and just hold it and just pick them out. Let them ring together. let's start again. Then you take your fingers off here.
How would I know that?
Because when you play chords, it would be much smoother to do that. If you played like this, because this is basically a chord exercise.
Yeah.
You know, melody is like single notes.
Mm-hmm.
This is a note on each different string, so that means it's a chord.
It's a chord.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to smooth it out.
Okay.
Now this one here is pretty cool. What's the word shuffle mean? You remember we talked about shuffles before,
Yeah,
right?
it's
So you got the first eighth note. You're going to count one triplet. So one triplet, two triplet, three triplet, four triplet, one triplet. So you're going to go one triplet, two triplet, three triplet, four triplet, one triplet, two triplet. I'm picking all down. When you pick this note, you pick it. You went. It's four triplet, four triplet. So listen. Your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. Hear that song? No? Your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. It's an old Loggins Messina.
that sounds. I like that.
It's nice. That's cool. And then here.
Oh yeah, I even tried to read
This
this.
you can do.
I did not understand.
Here, but this you can't do unless you have electric.
I have an electric.
That's right there. Okay. So go ahead and put it on pause for a second.